In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho CRM. Whether you're reaching out to new prospects or keeping in touch with existing clients, having a well-structured email template can save you time and ensure consistency in your communication. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up a new email template efficiently. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the email template settings within Zoho CRM. Start by navigating to Setup, then move into Customization, and from there, select Templates and choose Email. Once you're on the Email Templates page, you'll notice an option labeled Plus New Template. Go ahead and click on this to initiate the process of creating your new template. Now that we're ready to create, we need to choose the module and template type that best suits your needs. Consider what part of your CRM this template will primarily be used for, whether it's for leads, contacts, or deals. It's important to know that templates are specific to modules and can only be utilized within their respective areas. After selecting the correct module, click Next to proceed. Here, you'll be presented with 3 template options. A blank template. If you want to build everything from scratch using Zoho's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, a pre-designed template if you prefer starting with a layout and making tweaks to suit your branding, or an insert HTML or plain text option where you can paste your own existing HTML code. Choose the option that aligns with your workflow and expertise. Once you've decided on your template type, it's time to let your creativity shine as you design your template. If you opted for a blank or pre-designed template, you'll be using a variety of components such as text boxes, images, buttons, and tables to bring your email to life. You can simply drag and drop these elements into your template. For those using HTML mode, you'll paste your code and can enhance it by inserting dynamic merge fields, which personalize each email with specific data, such as the recipient's name or your company logo. The merge field picker is particularly handy in this aspect and is represented by the # symbol. After crafting your template, it's crucial to preview and test it to eliminate any errors or formatting issues. Hit the preview button to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring it looks great everywhere. Following that, you should send a test email to up to 5 recipients. This step is vital to confirm that all formatting, images, and dynamic data fields render correctly in real-world use. Finally, it's time to save and organize your hard work. Provide your template with a clear and descriptive name and subject line. Select a folder to categorize your template, such as My Templates or Shared Templates, facilitating easy access and collaboration among your team members. By organizing your templates effectively, you can streamline future email campaigns and maintain a professional standard in all communications. With these steps, you've successfully created a functional and professional email template in Zoho CRM. Remember, taking the time to set this up right can significantly enhance your communication efficiency with clients and prospects. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.